You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. From German, this means an ambulance. How do you say ambulance in German? Krankenwagen. It comes from Kranken, which means to be sick or ill or suffer. Krankenwagen. Wagen is a vehicle or a car. Krankenwagen is how to pronounce ambulance, how to say the German pronunciation of ambulance, Krankenwagen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.